So why would you want to apply ceramic coating to paint protection film? Well, first of all, there's a huge misconception that once you apply paint protection film, the car becomes easier to clean. And that is not true at all. What the paint protection film is going to do, help protect from scratches, rock chips, and other environmental fallouts. The reason you want to apply ceramic coating to the paint protection film is so that you can get ease of maintenance and hydrophobic and self-cleaning properties, and it also expands the life of the PPF as well. Now, also, there is film that is already ceramic coated from the factory. The only issue from my personal experience with that film is I found that several customers asked me would I still apply ceramic coating to the film because the hydrophobic properties weren't quite the same as if it was just applied on the film itself, opposed to being infused in the film. So outside of that factor, even at my shop, if we use coated film, we still apply ceramic coating to the film itself. But at the end of the day, the whole purpose of wanting to put a coating on your film, like I said, is for the ease of maintenance, more UV protection, it expands the life of the film, and it's a much better process for you when you're trying to wash and maintain your vehicle overall. This is a 2025 GMC Canyon AT4X. We just recently finished doing a partial PPF kit on the vehicle, which is all the bumper pieces, a partial hood, and a partial fender. We just finished ceramic coating the entire vehicle, including the PPF as well. I would give you guys a demonstration of the hydrophobic properties, but at this time it's still in the curing process. It takes about 8 hours for a true coating to cure properly before you can actually get it wet. But look forward to future videos.